Creating a double line graph from our data is actually pretty easy in Google Sheets. And here's the way we're going to do this. We're going to highlight our data, including the header rows. So I'm going to select this data here. And then we're going to tell it to insert a chart. We could do that either by going to Insert Chart, or there could be a button here, and it might be hiding behind the three dots, and there's Insert Chart. Either way, we're going to click Insert Chart, and it's automatically going to guess what we want. Now, this is a pretty good guess. This is a double line graph, but notice I do need to make some changes. This is titled Soccer in Concert by default. Well, I'm going to come over here and just double click that. And you notice then I can change this chart title here by simply typing, or I can change it right here as well. So this really should probably be called something like Cleaning a Stadium, because that is what this double line graph's about. And I'm going to center it by clicking right here and clicking the center, and you notice it makes my changes here. Okay, so it labeled crew size down here. And I can just click on that, and if I want to change that, so maybe I want to be really specific and say this is the number of people, is what that number means. But notice the vertical axis is not labeled at all. So I could come over here and say on the vertical axis, I want to title that in the time and maybe hours that it takes. And notice it does makes the changes here. So in Google Sheets, you can actually click or double click on any line or any label to make those changes. So notice this red line, I could actually change that color to something else. So let's say I wanted, purple, and then maybe this blue line, I want that instead to be, let's say, a green. So you can customize that. And that's how we make the chart or the double line graph here. And then we can just grab this anywhere and reposition it and resize it the way we want so that it fits in the area that we need. So I'm going to make it fit this, and then we're ready to go. This is exactly the way you're going to make a double line graph using 3 columns of data.